For the first test, we have to put this on Max's head and see how long it takes him to get it off. Ready? Max, you gotta take it off. Okay. Good job, Max. He did that in 8 seconds.
Wow.
So I guess
good job, Max.
I think that's 2 points, right?
That's 2 points. You did good, baby.
So next is to place these treats we have here under this scarf and see how long it takes Max to uncover it. This is what I have, okay? I'm going to put it under here. Max, sit, stay, stay. Good boy. I'm putting it under here. Let's see how long it takes you to get it. Go. Come on, baby. I put the treat somewhere. Somewhere under here. Somewhere under here. Whoop. Can you see the treats? He says, I smell it. I don't know. It's under here somewhere. Oh, I almost got it.
Oh, poor Max.
Poor Max. He's not gonna get it.
Okay, so we're gonna say how many points for Max?
0.
Sorry, Max.
Okay, so for the next test, we're going to take these treats and put them under one of these. And Jazzy Beats is going to take Max out of the room and bring him back. And we're going to see how long it takes him to find the treats. You see, Max, the treats, okay? We'll put them under there, all right? Under this one, okay? Okay? They're under here, all right?
All right, you ready? Come on, Max. Let's go. Okay.
Okay, ready, set,
Ready?
go!
Go, Max. Find which one it's in. Good boy. Oh, wait, no.
Where are the treats, Max? Max, which one is it? Do you remember? Huh? Do you remember? No. You forgot that you even getting treats?
Took him in the other room. He got a little lost.
Good job.
Good boy. How long did it take him? 35
35
seconds.
seconds. Max gets 1 point for that because it took him a little while to do it.
And you had to help him.
Yeah.
Good boy.
Okay.
Okay, so this test is the very last test, and it measures his intelligence off of how excited he gets when we pick up the leash for him to go outside. And if he's really excited, you know, super duper happy, then, you know, he gets 2 points. If he's just kind of lost in a row and doesn't know really what's going on, then 0. Now, okay.
Hey, baby, you did good. So excited.
Oh, take me out, take me out. He's such a circus dog.
Alright, so I guess Max gets 2 points for this because he knows exactly what's about to happen now. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed our video. Thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe. Comment down below if you have a dog like this. Don't forget, check us out every Saturday. It's us, PressPlay.
I need it, but thank you. I'll take this with me.
You're welcome.
Yeah. Thank you. That's a nice gift.
How you welcome, girl?
I need her to get this money so I can get dinner tonight.
Not tonight.
How much I get, babe?